Welcome to Pydle Day 139. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a cute little train, so have a go at solving that. Just watch out for the emojis. It's a small black square emoji. So have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you just want some tips how to solve Pydle, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a tiny little checkers board. So I'm actually going to try and solve this in just 2 lines. And to do that, I use a list comprehension to get a x, y, and the and a counter of cells from left to right, I, out of a single loop. So that's for I, x, and y in list comprehension. You create another list, and then you generate a new list within that list. Okay, so we want to return a tuple from that list, and the tuple is going to be I modulus 5 and I integer division 5 for I in range 25. Okay, so if we did a print, you'll see we get x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then y is 1, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is just the index of cells from left to right. Okay, so that's quite handy, just in a single loop. So now to start drawing the board, so we can do Pydle x comma y. Let's forget about the actual checkers. So what's the condition for red? So it's basically all the odd cells. So red if I and that modulus 2, else yellow. So that's how we get every odd cell. So you can see every odd cell, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why we extracted I from our list comprehension there. Okay, so let's see. So we already have our board there. Okay, so that helps us. Now we need to do something about actually drawing the checkers. So let me just check. Okay, so we need to do something there. A white checker. I think you call them. I don't know what you call them. A piece. Let's call it a piece. So when do we need to draw the whites? So if, and now we can just say y less than 2. Else, okay, and the black one, let's get the black one. If y greater than 2, else, okay, so what's that going to do? Okay, so that draws a piece on every cell, every square, which is not what we want. We want every second one. Okay, so what we need to do there is, so these are the even ones. So 0, 1, 2, 2, and I remainder 2 equals 0. Okay, so that, oh, that's the blacks. Yeah, that's right. And also, oh yeah, so we can also add the and there. So that's for the whites. So it works for blacks and whites. So it's the odd ones. No, did I get it wrong? Okay, so these ones are the odd ones actually. Yeah, because we need to draw it on the reds. Okay, I think I messed up. Okay, what did I do wrong? Okay, these are also on the odds. Okay, that solves the Pydle. I think this video was a little bit messy, but hopefully you got the idea to how to solve a Pydle, and watch some of the previous videos if you want to learn a little bit more. Okay, that's also Pydle, yesterday's Pydle, but do have a go at today's Pydle. It's a cute little train, and I'll see you again tomorrow with a solution.